Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and download and install Vizio on your mobile device. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. First things first, I want to make clear that this can be done both on Android or iOS, so buckle up and follow along. So first things first, simply go ahead and open App Store on your iOS or Play Store on your Android device and simply go ahead and search for Vizio right over here. And once you've done that, the application is going to pop up right over here. This is a very good alternative for Netflix. It's going to be completely free to watch most of the shows out there. So simply go ahead and click on the download icon. And once you've done that, it's going to go ahead and install into your device pretty quickly. Now, all you need to do is simply go ahead and tap on open and simply go ahead and click on allow. And you're going to be on this page right over here where you can just get started and then enjoy your shows. So I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll